All right. Hey guys, we're gonna jump right into today's video because it's been such a long time since I've posted one. We're still having sound issues, so if the sound's a little off or this video doesn't get posted, that's why. So I finally got a new camera. It's a DSLR. It's a Nikon D3500. I got it refurbished. The only downfall is I only have 20 minutes to film, like 20-minute intervals, because you know, DSLRs are like, they have limits. We're gonna zoom in a little bit, guys. Just a little bit, there we go. So are my hands clean? I don't know, let's get a mirror. So I got some contacts. Boop. They are the color Topaz. Let's do my next eye. I haven't even told you guys what we're doing today. So if any of you guys know who Juno Birch is, she is I guess she's a drag queen from the UK. Now that my contacts are in, I need to go put eye drops in. I'm gonna double check the audio, make sure we're good, make sure we're still rolling. I'm gonna check back on the video, make sure I stayed in focus, and if all goes to plan, we're gonna continue this video. All right, so Juno Birch. Juno Birch is a drag queen. She does makeup looks. Well, she's an alien. Her natural skin tone is lavendrous. It is lavendrous. We're gonna use our tinfoil. I can't afford a Krylon TV paint stick, so we're gonna use Mayron Cream Blend Stick. Nice. My little grease paint. So cute, we're gonna be using that. We're gonna take our paint stick. We're gonna use this little blackhead tool. Oh my God, oh, that was satisfying. We're gonna do this lovely blue color. And we're gonna plop it on with the white. We're going to mix that up. Let me show you who Juno Birch is real quick before we get too far into this. Alien Queen. How do we put this in focus? And let's start putting it on my face. Wow. I really need to buy a camera monitor. Can't wait for that. I'm almost out of my little space. We love a smart queen. And we're gonna blend that down.
3, 2, 1.
Blend, 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 blend. When I did my Halloween looks, I used water-based paint, which was a big mistake because now I know that grease paint is so much more moisturizing for your skin and it doesn't crack and look cakey. We're gonna use the Mayron setting powder in white. We're going to put a little bit on here. Yes, we are. So we're gonna use our James Charles palette. We're gonna use this shade for highlights. We're going to use this shade for contour. This is our brush that we got from Aubriella. So let's go into Playground. Ooh. We're gonna use this really soft brush to kind of get into this paint stick. We're gonna go underneath my eyes and highlight. Bring this up. Oh my goodness. Oh, I gotta blend that down. Let's look at our blue blood because I need a little bit of a different shade. We're actually going to use blue blood itself. I'm gonna use my highlighter brush from BH Cosmetics. We're going to use my Wet n Wild, and it is just beautiful. It's a cool tone pink. And look at that highlight, just look at it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Oh my god. We are stunning, yes we are. Look at this alien look, oh. When we come back, we're gonna do our eyes and stuff and finish up this look. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Guys, I'm back. And whether you know it or not, it's been like 2 hours. I took off my hat and revealed my beautiful alien hair. Let's do our eyes real quick. Look, this one's already got blue on it, so we're gonna use this with my blue blood. We're gonna dip into Blue Monday. We're going to just go right into the crease. Oh, that feels good. And we're gonna take Blue Blood and do the lids. We're going to take Cremated and really get in that crease. Create some depth, bring that out. I don't have a blue liner. We're just going to use some good old black liner. Boom. We're gonna put on some mascara. We're gonna use our Lash Princess. I'm gonna use these custom ones because they're hella thick. Blue glitter! We're gonna put that on my eyes. Inner corner, I guess? Yes, honey. Oh my goodness, that was so cute. Okay, let's put on my lips. We're gonna use a Jeffree Star lip color. This is the only shade I have in Jeffree Star. We're gonna do what Juno Birch does and just kinda go straight across like that. Yes. Gorgeous. And then we're gonna take our Jeffree Star concealer and we're gonna put it right in the middle. Bum 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 bum. I'm just gonna throw this lash on real quick. This is not cute. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the video right there. Oh. We're putting it back up. Okay guys, next time I try this, it's gonna be a little bit more time efficient. I'm gonna plan it out a little bit better. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just don't know how to leave on this note. Like, I don't know how to leave you guys looking like this. Like what do you say about this, you know? It was fun. That was another take on the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. Who would enjoy this? Who would enjoy this? Wish me luck on editing. If this video never makes it to YouTube, you know why. If you are here, congratulations, you made it to YouTube. I made it to YouTube. We made it to YouTube. I love you. If you want to see me again, subscribe, hit the bell, leave me a comment, leave a thumbs up. It really helps. If you don't, that's fine. Like, that's cool. It's whatever. I don't care. Okay? All right. I'll see you next time, okay? Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.